Coming with 15 years of experience in the space and defense industry, working with companies in similar situations as Fralock, where they were single proprietor ownerships with 25 years of loyalty with those people, working with a system that may be from an Excel spreadsheet through to QuickBooks on the financial side. There's not a lot of enterprise knowledge there. Bringing that team in and that understands the complexities of an ITAR or CUI related environment, where you can have those conversations of, we can't put data there, and they understand why, and it's not like you have to explain it. And with a private equity firm, it's once you get a commitment to move forward, we want to move forward quickly. So those are key things that Aptean team understands. In the space of that ITAR compliancy is front and foremost. You know, it was one of the things that in the past had limited us from partnering with Aptean in the cloud. They have solved that problem. So it was a perfect timing thing for us, where they have the ITAR compliant cloud offering now, which really lends well to our business. And it probably really moved the project forward faster. You know, being able to go to our private equity partners and go, here's the solution, meets all our check boxes, and the space and defense segment of our business is our largest segment, and it's a huge controlling factor inside the regulatory environment that we have. So the Aptean team and the technical resources, even before the sales side kicked in, and the project team understanding those restrictions, makes it a lot easier to move forward.